Does your site struggle to get traffic from Google search or AI overviews? Maybe you've tried updating content in the past, but you don't know if what you did was actually correct or worked. Instead of wasting time guessing what to fix, I want to show you how you could quickly find the exact SEO optimizations you need to implement to get your page ranking, cited, or mentioned in search. Now, when it comes to optimizing your site, no matter if it's for the standard Google search or AI overviews, there are common elements you need to consider. Here is a quick checklist that I like to follow when it comes to analyzing a page for search and AI overviews. One of the most important things is keyword placement. So all of your pages should target a specific keyword or phrase, and make sure it is in your page title and also your headers. Now, when it comes to headers, it's extremely important to make sure that you add them following a logical hierarchy. So there should only be one H1 heading on your page, and you can organize the other sections on your page by H2s, H3s, and so forth. And not only do I like to add the keywords in my headings, I also sometimes like to make the headings questions that people might be asking. And then I can write a small snippet for the answer just below each of the headings. Okay, so you want to make sure your content covers the topic well and answers common questions. Now, when it comes to the technical side of things, you of course want to make sure your page loads fast and make sure there are no broken links or weird redirect chains happening. And you want to make sure you have proper robots.txt file and a sitemap. Now, another thing that's important, especially for AI, is making sure you have necessary schema markup. So you should add JSON LD to help search engines and AIs understand the content type. So if your page is an article, a product page, if it has an FAQ section, so on and so forth. Now, some additional factors you need to consider are to make sure you have clear, authoritative content that matches the user intent. You'll also want to use concise, factual language that's suitable for snippet inclusion. So you want to make sure the AIs can easily parse your answers and display them properly in their AI responses. So that really means having a well-structured piece of content that AI can easily parse and summarize. Now, when I audit a site, I do sometimes forget to check a few things to make sure it's properly optimized. So that's why I like to use the SEO Optimizer tool from Keywords Everywhere. Now, I will include a link to this in the description. This is a free tool to use. All you need to do is add your Keywords Everywhere API key to get started. Now, when it comes to the limits, if you have a paid subscription, your limits will actually increase. Now, I am on the gold plan, so I have 400 page audits, 10,000 domain lookups, and also 10,000 traffic lookups per day. Now, this SEO Optimizer tool will give you a prioritized list of what to fix on any URL with copy-pastable code and effort estimates per task. So this makes optimizing your pages extremely easy and also easy to communicate with your clients and correctly plan all of your SEO campaigns. Now let me show you why, okay? So first, you need to add your URL that you want to optimize. Now let's just say this is our website and we want to optimize this blog article. So I'm going to copy and paste that URL right here. And we do have the option to add a focus keyword. So I'm going to add that here. So email marketing for dentists, then click on build my checklist. So now the SEO Optimizer will analyze my URL and provide me with a checklist of what I need to implement to make sure it's properly optimized for search. And here we go. So Keywords Everywhere reviewed my page and listed out all of the things I need to fix in priority order. It tells you what you need to fix, the exact issue, and also how to fix it as well. Now, what's cool is that it also provides you with this code snippet that you can copy and then make your changes within these quotes and then paste it on your site. So this is nice to have if you need to make changes to the actual code. But if you have a WordPress site, for example, you can make many of these changes in the WordPress backend, or if you have an SEO WordPress plugin. Now, what's also cool is that for each of these issues, they tell you how many minutes on average it takes to fix them. So to fix my meta description length, it'll take about 5 minutes. And the reason why I need to fix it is because my current description is 308 characters, and that's very long. So to fix it, I need to make it much shorter, and I should aim for 70 to 160 characters of natural copy that includes the focus keyword. Now, this list here is every single thing I need to fix, but we can organize it by the time it takes. So if I want to first focus on the easiest and quickest updates, I can click on the 5-minute button right here. And these are the 4 things I need to fix that'll take about 5 minutes each. And if I click on 30 minutes, these are the ones that will take a little longer, 1 hour, and so forth. Now, I really like how this is organized because you can better plan your SEO campaigns for your clients. And you could also better communicate how long your SEO updates might take as you are working on your clients' websites. Now, since I added my focus keyword, which is email marketing for dentists, it checks against this keyword as well. So for this one right here, title contains focus keyword. So the focus keyword is not found in the title. This is the current title, which doesn't have my focus keyword. So I do need to make sure that is added to the title. Now, if you click on how to fix, same as meta description, you could see the code snippet right here as well. We also can export all of these tasks as a CSV or Excel file, but Keywords Everywhere makes it easy because we could use this as our customized checklist. So as we work on the updates, we can just click on the checkbox, and then you could see the progress right here. And what's cool is our progress will be saved. So under recent checklists, you could see previous projects we started right here. So in the future, you can go into any of these checklists to see what you need to do. Now, there are a lot of things that are actually correct on our page. So if you click on the already correct section, there's 37 that are already correct. So we have the title tag, the URL length is great, so on and so forth. So all of these are correct on our page. So we don't need to make changes or anything like that to any of these elements right here. So now this can be your new checklist that you can follow for every single page you need to optimize. So all you do is put your URL, a focus keyword, and the SEO optimizer will use a checklist to make sure you are fixing anything that needs to be addressed. Now, the SEO optimizer is just one of 8 audit tools that Keywords Everywhere has that you can use totally for free. So I will include a link in the description so you can start using these today.